If you're shopping for a smart desk in Malaysia but you want something a little bit more intelligent perhaps, then this desk could be for you. This is the EVIS Intelligent Desk. Instead of a regular smart desk, it has two new features, this smart lamp as well as a Qi wireless charger that acts as a cup warmer as well. That's pretty neat. However, it'll also cost a pretty penny, so it may not be for everyone. Nonetheless, if you're keen to get this table, this is our review of the EVIS Intelligent Desk. There are two different versions of the EVIS Intelligent Desk. This is the black model and there's also a walnut model, though these two models should be similar to each other except for the surface treatment because this is an MDF table. Beyond that, you can also change several features of this desk, including the frame color, adding wheels to it, or even making the surface larger. This is the standard 1500 by 800 table and you can get the 1800 by 800 table for an extra 100 ringgit if you need more surface area to work with. Even though it's only 100 ringgit to get essentially a larger table, you have to first pay for the base price of the Intelligent Desk, and that is a whopping 4,099 ringgit. That's right, 4,099 ringgit for a desk, and that is a price tag that not many folks may be willing to swallow. But for that kind of money, the EVIS Intelligent Desk does have a lot of features that are quite nice in my opinion. This smart lamp for one is pretty magical in my opinion. I could just do this and it will light up, and I can even change the color temperature by doing that. That's nice. Here's a neat trick. Once you found the sweet spot for this lamp, you can just tap to switch it on, and you can also do this to control the brightness of the lamp. I mean, that's very neat, though I do have some complaints about this, which I'll get to later on. And then there's the Qi wireless charger. It's not a fast charger by any means. I mean, a wireless charger isn't that fast to begin with, but the fact that it also doubles as a cup warmer is very impressive in my opinion. It is not a gimmick by any means either because it can really heat up any beverage that I put in this EVIS cup, and that is very nice. Of course, this being a intelligent desk, you can also adjust the height of this table very easily with the click of a button. It goes down and it can also go all the way up depending on, your comfort level. There's also this one little feature that will remind you to stand up after a set period of time that you can just set with the control console to the right of the table. It's a pretty okay feature, I guess, though it's not something that I personally use a lot. Another thing that I like about the Intelligent Desk is this cutout, or what EVIS calls ergo curve, that lets me get closer to the table. The fact that it is also sloped means that my arms wouldn't be resting on any sharp edges, so I can be comfortable in this position for a very long time. For those who are worried about cable management with this desk, worry not, because there is a cable management tray right underneath there. You do have to manage the cable by yourself, obviously, but hey, the tool is there for you to make use of. Oh, a bonus positive of the Intelligent Desk is the fact that it has free installation if you're in the Klang Valley area. It's quite a hard table to assemble, so I'm very happy that the EVIS crew was here to assemble it for me. Now on to things that I don't quite like about the EVIS Intelligent Desk, starting with this smart lamp. Yes, it's convenient when it works because, as you can see, you do have to get the right spot for the gestures to work, and turning it on and off is fine, but trying to adjust the brightness, there, it's finally working. So it's nice, yes, though it is a little bit too finicky for my liking. The good thing is, if you don't want this lamp, you can just remove it, and EVIS does provide this cover to cover up the hole. That's nice, I guess. Aside from that, I'm not a fan of the surface of this black model either. It doesn't feel particularly great to the touch, and even though I wiped it really well, there are still some stains that just don't seem to disappear. Last but certainly not least is the high asking price of the Intelligent Desk. I mean, at 4,099 ringgit, I expect this table to come with a solid wood top instead of MDF, which this table uses. Sure, it's nice that it has this smart lamp as well as a Qi wireless charger, but is that worth paying 4,099 ringgit? It's a little bit hard for myself to justify at least. So then, is the EVIS Intelligent Desk worth it? Well, to some, I do see the benefit of getting this table. The smart lamp is quite nice, even though it's a little bit finicky. And the Qi wireless charger is also a nice convenience on top of the cup warmer because it does warm up a beverage very well. That could be a game changer for certain folks. Of course, then comes the question of just buying these items separately instead of having it built into the table itself. Yes, it is an option, but it is not quite as convenient as having it on the table itself, such as the one you get with the Intelligent Desk. There's also no denying that it has a good motor to move the table up and down. It is quiet, it is seamless, and it does show that EVIS is a big brand name in the smart desk industry because of this. Simply put, if you want this smart lamp as well as the cup warmer or Qi wireless charger, the 4,099 ringgit price tag could just be worth it for you. And that is our review of the EVIS Intelligent Desk. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here on this channel and nextShift.com.